Seneca Falls number 10 pedal lathe has been altered a lot. Well, kind of, yeah. On top there, compound rests off a Logan lathe. Fits perfect. Added the 4-jaw chuck as you've seen before in previous videos. Added this table. It came in bits and pieces from eBay. And what did I do today with it? Well, I got a motor on it, of course. You've seen that. Runs beautifully. And I added this today. It's an old angle drive, and I modified it to fit on this back end of this lathe. And what that does do is drive this lead screw and drives this here. As you can see, the handle move if I turn this really fast. And this is a 1:21 ratio. Slowly moves, which is okay with me. And if not, I take it off like so. Move it this way, of course. Rack and pinion. I want to do it that way. But the option with this is I got nice slow control when cutting, as well as I can add a variable speed motor on this thing and cut any type of screw I need for it. Anything. Dial it in. Just put a belt around this part here, I suppose. It'll work. It'll spin around. Fine thread or not so fine thread. Then I have on the back here these gears. I can just take this off and run it this way with these gears. I was going to use pulleys, and I found out, let me try this. So I had to put this in the lathe, the other lathe I got, and bore it out to 1-inch exact fit. And these I bored out, about 3/4 of an inch. All these things are bored out to fit and work. They work okay. Yahoo! Woohoo! So this works. I made a pulley, a bigger pulley for here. And it seems to be the right speed for brass or steel. Nice big old cast iron wheel on eBay, 30 bucks I think it was, free shipping sometimes like that. So then I went overboard. The other day on eBay, bought a arbor press 3-ton V-Vor type. 250 bucks plus free shipping to 122 pounds. So I can use that for broaching small things when needed, like keyway for a gear or pulley or other crazy things, you know, machinery stuff. So I'm going to the scrapyard soon, and we're getting more goodies. Couple of big scrapyards I go to once in a long time. And now let's take a look at this thing. Everything here came from eBay. Isn't that incredible, huh? Different sellers. Oh, it's all fun. It works okay. Just have fun with another lathe. I like this idea. I think it's really crazy and cool. And you also got a measurement here. You can tune it up here, and then I could just put a little dot there or something. So many whatevers per inch. Too much fun, Barbara. It's very hot today, by the way. Very hot day. So I cure that problem with a garden hose and just let myself have it. I'm soaking wet right now and cool. So any other stuff I'll be doing. Yeah, I'm still doing the levitation stuff. Get around to that again. I did isolation tests with different things just for the hell of it. So, I guess they call this reporting. I still got to do this god-awful armory stuff here. Sort it all out and present it. It's just so much goodies. An over-glorified junk collector is my title, by the way. And cannon dismantler and warship dismantler or builder. I'd rather build one, but oh well, I didn't have a choice. Anyway, not an inventor, not a scientist, no relation to Tesla, not even near anything like Mr. Tesla. God, some people post the most ridiculous, bloody, stupid, nonsense videos on moi. One's on Funbook, I don't know where it is. Oh, he got arrested for this discovery. Did I? I didn't know that. Why would I get arrested? Totally weird garbage. But that's the price of fame, I suppose. Wink, wink. The infamous Hutchison. John Hutchison! The infamous one. Hot legs. Anyway. Then I posted some videos I found on my old YouTube channel on metals that turn jellified, and I know I have these. Why did I copy that off a TV set? I just uploaded to YouTube. And I don't know how to upload anything. I think that's why I did it. To Hutchison Effect 2009, an old YouTube channel, so I had a way of uploading stuff back then. Had a little camera and I filmed it off a TV set and uploaded it. I wonder where I got the masters over there. And there's hours of stuff jellification. Not uploaded. All that's not uploaded to the internet. About 200, I think under 200 cassettes, long play, high definition videos that nobody's ever seen. Oh well, I'm gonna go.